It's your girl, Precious Stevens, aka the Draping Queen, and today we're gonna dive into something super important. We're talking about the top 5 mistakes you should avoid when swagging your backdrops. Now, everyone makes mistakes, right? But don't worry, because I'm here to guide you through it so you don't make the same ones I did when I first started out. So grab your notepad and let's get started. Roll the intro. First off, guys, we've got to talk about fabric quality. It's like the foundation of your entire setup. You wouldn't want your masterpiece falling apart, right? You always want to go for those premium fabrics that not only look good, but they also last. Trust me, your clients will thank you later. Next up is underestimating your measurements. And this is a big one, guys. The last thing you want to do is finish setting up your backdrop and realize that it's too short or it's too long. Be sure to take your time, guys, and make sure you're carefully measuring everything every step of the way to prevent this from happening. Now, the third mistake is just too many swag patterns. Trust me when I say less can be more. We all love to impress our clients with creative designs, but guys, sometimes it's the simple stuff that really steals the show. You don't want to really mix a bunch of colors and patterns that just really end up clashing and looking a big mess. Okay, everyone, quick pause on the video because I've got something super exciting for you. If you're ready to take your draping business to the next level and seriously attract those premium clients, then I have a game-changing experience where we train you exactly how to do that. The Posh Academy is going on tour, guys, and we'll be traveling to different cities, teaching you everything from premium draping skills to business strategies that can triple your profits. Now, this isn't just any old class, guys. It's hands-on training, business coaching, and an incredible chance to network with industry leaders and fellow designers like yourself. I've helped hundreds of students get higher paying clients, master premium draping techniques, price per profit, and so much more. So whether you're just starting out or you're looking to grow, guess what? This tour is your ticket to success. All right, guys, so check out our tour dates and see when I'll be showing up in your city. All right, now let's get back to the video. The next mistake you want to avoid is a wrinkled backdrop. Nothing ruins a look like wrinkles, so always be sure to steam or iron your fabric before setting it up. And guys, if you really want to keep things easy, check out our two-way stretch or our spandex blends that's located in our shop because they're practically maintenance-free. And last but certainly not least, it's all about your layout. You want to make sure that your backdrop gets the attention that it deserves, right? And avoid blocking it with furniture or other objects. It's really all about strategic placement, guys, especially when you're layering swags. All right, guys, now you know what not to do when swagging those backdrops. Now, if you want to try this out yourself, then guess what? Head on over to our shop for everything you need to get started. All of the links are in the description. And if you found these tips to be helpful, why not show your girl some love? Smash that like button and subscribe to our channel for the best in draping tips. And you guys know the drill. Stay fabulous, stay inspired, and keep draping like a pro. I'll see you guys in the next one. Roll the intro.
That's my favorite part.
I know, right? Mine too, because it means I'm done. Smash that button and it's starting.
Smash that button in.
It's starting.
No, it's not. It ain't. Are you good?
Oh, God. This is going to prevent all the other stuff from happening.
What happened?
Nothing. Let me keep going.